Hi everybody. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. It's going to be a tabletop review. I have a lot of belts, including something like that. This is a 16-year-old Spec Ops belt. I got this a while back just to replace my issued belt, and because of how much I travel, I also have this 511 belt with an all-plastic buckle. Now, when it comes to gun belts, you'd think of something with a Cobra buckle. But that's not the belt that I'm going to be talking about. The belt that I'm going to talk about is from Core. Now, they did reach out to me and they did ask me to review this. I received it a few weeks ago and I had some time to use it at work. And I do have to say, it has been a very good addition to my wardrobe. And there are quite a few things that I like about this belt. First off, when you look at it, it looks like a normal belt. It's something that if you work in an office environment, it's going to pass as a regular off-the-shelf belt from anywhere. And it definitely doesn't look tactical by any stretch of the imagination. One of the things that I had to get used to was this mechanism right here. This is how you actually release this. And when it goes in, it clicks through. Hear that? Let's take a closer look at how this mechanism opens and closes. Right here, press down. So as you can see, this ratchet system is very secure. Press on that. This lifts up. Bring it out. And it just digs in even more. Now, when you do cut this down to size, you want to make sure that you're doing it properly. Follow the instructions because it is easy to cut it too short. Depending on the load that I'm carrying or depending on what I'm doing or the clothes that I'm wearing, I may need some extra space, so I've given myself a very generous amount to work with. You just want to be sure that it still holds up your pants and it doesn't look too bad. As for me, it doesn't matter if I have a longer extra tail here, it's usually hidden by a coat jacket. The attachment point is very sturdy, and the beautiful thing about this belt compared to a regular leather belt is that it's very stiff and it doesn't bend a whole lot. I sweat an insane amount through the day, and the leather still looks like it's in excellent condition. There's no fading, there's no wear. There's no funky smells being given off. I mean, it's extremely durable. Now these little plastic nubs here, this is what helps lock the buckle in place. When you buy this belt, please be aware of what it's intended to do. Don't buy this belt thinking that you're going to repel using it. Don't buy it thinking that they should honor a replacement if you go out and purposefully try to damage this belt by pulling on it extremely hard. I'm pretty sure that it'll hold, but you know, it's not going to withstand 1,000 pounds of breaking strength or whatever the Cobra buckle limitations are. This isn't that kind of belt, okay? If you need to do low profile work, if you need to fit in a business capacity and you need something that's still durable, that will pass, not anything like this or not anything like this either. I mean, it just isn't going to work in some job profiles. This is going to do excellent. It's my new favorite belt. It's very easy to put on. It looks good. And all I can say is it's done everything that I expected it to beyond holding up my pants. It's easy on, easy off, and it doesn't scream out gun. And that's very important to me. So hopefully that helps you make up your mind. I don't want to drone on and make this an overly long video. It's an excellent belt. I don't know what else there is to say about it. Follow the instructions, trim it correctly, wear it knowing exactly why you need it, use it within the parameters that it was designed for, and I'm pretty sure that this is going to last you a lifetime. There are a few products of theirs that they are going to be releasing that I definitely want to take a look at just from handling this belt alone. So that was a quick review of my Core belt. Their website is down below. Pick one up, it's not going to break the bank, and let me know what you think about it. So until the next video, be good, stay safe, and have a good one.